Hello everyone, welcome to GK with Prima. Today's video is about scientists and their inventions. 1. Who is known as the inventor of the telephone? A. Thomas Edison. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Guglielmo Marconi. Answer. Option B. Alexander Graham Bell. 2. Who discovered penicillin, the first widely used antibiotic? A. Joseph Lister. B. Robert Koch. C. Alexander Fleming. D. Louis Pasteur. Answer. Option C. Alexander Fleming. 3. Who is credited with inventing the electric light bulb? A. Nikola Tesla. B. Thomas Edison. C. Michael Faraday. D. Humphrey Davy. Answer. Option B. Thomas Edison. 4. Who developed the theory of general relativity? A. Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. C. Galileo Galilei. D. Stephen Hawking. Answer. Option B. Albert Einstein. 5. Who invented the printing press? A. Johannes Kepler. B. Johannes Gutenberg. C. Benjamin Franklin. D. Thomas Newcomen. Answer. Option B. Johannes Gutenberg. 6. Who is known for discovering the law of universal gravitation? A. Galileo Galilei. B. Isaac Newton. C. Albert Einstein. D. James Clerk Maxwell. Answer. Option B. Isaac Newton. 7. Who developed the first successful polio vaccine? A. Edward Jenner. B. Jonas Salk. C. Louis Pasteur. D. Robert Koch. Answer. Option B. Jonas Salk. 8. Who is credited with inventing the World Wide Web, WWW? A. Bill Gates. B. Steve Jobs. C. Tim Berners-Lee. D. Alan Turing. Answer. Option C. Tim Berners-Lee. 9. Who invented the steam engine? A. James Watt. B. Thomas Savery. C. George Stephenson. D. Rudolf Diesel. Answer. Option A. James Watt. 10. Who developed the first practical telephone? A. Antonio Meucci. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Guglielmo Marconi. D. Alicia Gray. Answer. Option B. Alexander Graham Bell. 11. Who discovered X-rays? A. Wilhelm Röntgen. B. Marie Curie. C. Henry Becquerel. D. Ernest Rutherford. Answer. Option A. Wilhelm Röntgen. 12. Who invented the first practical refrigerator? A. James Harrison. B. Michael Faraday. C. Carl von Linde. D. John Gorey. Answer. Option C. Carl von Linde. 13. Who developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? A. Gregor Mendel. B. Charles Darwin. C. Alfred Wegener. D. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Answer. Option B. Charles Darwin. 14. Who discovered the electron? A. J. Thomson. B. Ernest Rutherford. C. Niels Bohr. D. Marie Curie. Answer. Option A. J. Thomson. 15. Who developed the concept of radioactivity? A. Henry Becquerel. B. Marie Curie. C. Pierre Curie. D. Wilhelm Röntgen. Answer. Option A. Henry Becquerel. 16. Who invented dynamite? A. Alfred Nobel. B. Marie Curie. C. Thomas Edison. D. Robert Bunsen. Answer. Option A. Alfred Nobel. 17. Who is known as the father of genetics? A. Gregor Mendel. B. Charles Darwin. C. James Watson. D. Rosalind Franklin. Answer. Option A. Gregor Mendel. 18. Who invented the first successful airplane? A. Leonardo da Vinci. B. Wilbur and Orville Wright. C. Samuel Langley. D. Igor Sikorsky. Answer. Option B. Wilbur and Orville Wright. 19. Who invented the first practical radio? A. Nikola Tesla. B. Guglielmo Marconi. C. James Clerk Maxwell. D. Michael Faraday. Answer. Option B. Guglielmo Marconi. 20. Who is credited with inventing the first mechanical computer? A. Alan Turing. B. Charles Babbage. C. John von Neumann. D. Blaise Pascal. Answer. Option B. Charles Babbage. 21. Who developed the periodic table? A. Dmitri Mendeleev. B. John Dalton. C. Marie Curie. D. Niels Bohr. Answer. Option A. Dmitri Mendeleev. 22. Who invented the first successful artificial satellite, Sputnik 1? A. Robert Goddard. B. Wernher von Braun. C. Sergei Korolev. D. Konstantin Tsiolkovsky. Answer. Option C. Sergei Korolev. 23. Who invented the first modern automobile? A. Henry Ford. B. Carl Benz. C. Gottlieb Daimler. D. Rudolf Diesel. Answer. Option B. Carl Benz. 24. Who discovered radium and polonium? A. Marie Curie. B. John Dalton. C. Henry Becquerel. D. Ernest Rutherford. Answer option A. Marie Curie. 25. Who is considered the father of modern chemistry? A. Antoine Lavoisier. B. Dmitri Mendeleev. C. John Dalton. D. Robert Boyle. Answer. Option A. Antoine Lavoisier. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to GK with Prima for more such informative videos.